Since time immemorial, clouds have inspired poets, thinkers, and philosophers. Looking at the vibrant, colorful clouds, John Ruskin once said, "The purest and most thoughtful minds are those which love color the most." Henry Wadsworth Longfellow reminds us, "Be still, sad heart, and cease repining. Behind the clouds is the sun still shining." Clouds helped William Wordsworth express his solitude. "I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills." Khalil Gibran beautifully noted, "Be thou the rainbow in the storms of life, the evening beam that smiles the clouds away, and tints tomorrow with prophetic ray." Rabindranath Tagore writes, "Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky." Looking at the soft clouds in the sky, Ralph Waldo Emerson saw the sky as essential. He wrote, "The sky is the daily bread of the eyes." Mehmet Murat Ildan whimsically wrote, "You must not blame me if I do talk to the clouds." Looking at the clouds on a serene landscape, Richard Bach found inspiration in them. Clouds are not the spheres of so much fascination as they are the homes of so much inspiration. Alfred Lord Tennyson envisioned purity. He wrote, "No cloud above, no earth below, a universe of sky and snow." Clouds on a moonlit night made Henry David Thoreau write, "I have seen the movement of the sinews of the sky and the blood coursing in the veins of the moon. Clouds in their ever-changing forms continue to inspire us, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of the natural world. Let their words linger as we gaze at the sky.